Good afternoon, my name is Eduardo Contreras, and today I will present the blog and critique about Montserrat Hill, one of the most important tourist attractions in Bogota, Colombia. In this blog, I describe the history and cultural and religious importance of Montserrat. I also to about its main attraction, such as the Sanctuary of Fallen Lord, the cable car, the funicular, and the beautiful panoramic view of the city. I also wrote about important events such as Holy Week celebration and the cultural and environmental activities that help protect this important landmark. In addition, is share my opinion about the importance of the Montserrat for Colombia tourists and give some recommendation so visitors can enjoy the place safely and responsibly. Finally, I include two additional posts. One is about critical thinking and media literacy, explaining the importance of verifying information before sharing it. The other is about crime and punishment, hi- highlighting the importance of respecting the rules and maintaining visitors' safety. In conclusion, this project will merely about Montserrat Hill and understand its great cultural, historical, and tourist value. Thank you for attention.